Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The compound interest on 30,000 dirhams for 6 months at 12% per annum compounded quarterly is. We have to find compound interest here. So we know in compound interest amount after that particular time period is given by principal multiplied by 1 plus r by. Now this is compounded quarterly, so r by 400 to the power 4t for compounded quarterly. So what we do, we simply replace values here. So we are given P as 30,000 dirhams, R as 12% per annum, T as 6 months, which we have to convert to years because T in this formula is in years. So that will be 6 by 12 years. So let's simply put this. So we get amount is equal to 30,000 multiplied by 1 plus R is 12 by 400 to the power 4 multiplied by 6 by 12. Now this reduces to 3 and this reduces to 3. So what do we get? We get 30,000 multiplied by 1 plus 3 by 100 to the power 6 by 3 means 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we get to the power 2. So this simple calculation comes to 30,000 multiplied by 103 multiplied by 103 divided by 100 multiplied by 100. We have simply taken LCM here inside the bracket. So let's calculate this further. These two zeros cancel out to these two and these two with these two. So we are left with 3 multiplied by 103 whole square. Here to calculate 103 square, we use a plus b whole square, where a is 100 and b is 3. So a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 100 square is 10,000 plus 2ab is 3 twos are 600 plus b square is 3 square, which is 9. So we get 10609. So answer is 3 multiplied by 10609 dirhams. So that is equal to 31827, that is 31,827 dirhams. So this is final amount after the entire compounding. So what is compound interest? Compound interest is amount minus principal, which is 31,827 minus 30,000, which is equal to 1,827 dirhams. So this is the answer.